In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create appointment slots in Google Calendar. This is a fantastic tool for managing your schedule, especially if you frequently need to set up meetings or consultations. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. Once you've got your calendar open, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a Create button there. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to setting up new events, reminders, and of course, appointment slots. After clicking Create, a menu will pop up and you'll want to select Appointment Schedule. This option allows you to customize time slots that others can book with you, making it an incredibly efficient way to manage your time without the back and forth of email or messages. Next, you'll begin setting up your appointment. Think about your preferred schedule. What days and times are you available? You can customize this to fit your needs, whether you're looking to offer slots every weekday or just a few afternoons a week. Adjust the settings to reflect exactly when you're open for appointments. Once you're satisfied with your schedule, it's time to give your appointment a title. This should be something descriptive enough for your invitees to understand what the meeting is about at a glance. After that, click Next to proceed. Now, let's add some details. In the description box, you can provide additional information about the appointment. This could include what participants should prepare or any materials they need to bring. The more information you provide, the smoother your appointments will go. Finally, once you've filled out the description and are happy with your settings, click Save. Your appointment slots are now set up and ready for others to book. You can share the appointment page link with anyone who needs to schedule time with you. They'll be able to see the slots you've made available and choose a time that works for them. And that's it! You've successfully created appointment slots in Google Calendar. This tool is incredibly useful for streamlining your scheduling process and ensuring your time is managed effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these steps help you manage your appointments with ease. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.